Hey there, feline finance fans, Professor Whiskers here. Did you know that there's a way to make your money multiply faster than viral cat videos on TikTok? The secret is in the principle of compound interest. Let me show you how compound interest claws its way to bigger returns. Think of compound interest like planting a tiny catnip seed in your garden. You nurture it with a bit of water and sunshine, and soon it sprouts into multiple stems overflowing with fresh leaves. Each of those stems can be replanted to grow even more plants, quickly turning your single seed into a lush catnip patch. In the same way, your money earns interest, and then that interest earns interest, causing your savings to multiply far beyond your original deposit. This is compound interest, and you should be taking advantage of it as early as you can. Compound interest is different from simple interest because simple interest earns returns only on your original amount, whereas compound interest returns interest on your original amount and the interest made. Essentially, simple interest is like getting one new kitten each year, while compound interest is like those kittens growing up and having kittens of their own. Suddenly, your feline family multiplies exponentially. Imagine you plunked down $1,000 into an S&P 500 index fund 5 years ago, with an average annual return of around 10%. In year 1, your balance grows to about $1,100. By year 2, it jumps to $1,210 as that 10% applies to your new total. Fast forward 5 years, and you'd have roughly $1,610. Thanks to compound interest on both your original investment and each year's gains. That's your money working overtime, just like kittens teaching kittens to chase laser pointers. The secret ingredient to compound interest: time. Just like a good nap in a sunny spot, the longer your money stays invested, the better the results. Patience turns even small investments into substantial wealth. Want my whiskers of wisdom? It's this. Stop chasing red dots. Pounce on your profits before they scamper away. Start investing early, even if it's just a small amount, and let compound interest do the heavy lifting, then watch your wealth grow positively huge. Enjoyed uncovering this financial wisdom? Hit that subscribe button for more Whisker Smart Money tips. Keep your claws sharp and your investments sharper. Professor Whiskers, signing off.